Volleyball dig. Volleyball dig is a key element of defense in the sports of volleyball. If done right, volleyball dig can also become the beginning of the successful volleyball attack. When digging the ball correctly, you make it easy for a volleyball attacker to carry out a successful hit. Volleyball dig techniques. Oftentimes, a digger has to dig hard driven ball. You'll hardly be able to handle a hard-driven ball without proper preparation. So if you would like to achieve success in volleyball digging, then you obviously need to learn an effective volleyball dig technique. Now let's try to figure out how to dig a ball right away. Different types of volleyball digs. A traditional volleyball dig. Let's get started with a traditional volleyball dig. When trying to do this type of volleyball dig, you should try your best to approach to the ball early and get your hips as well as a forearm under a ball in advance. Your goal is to dig a ball between knees and shoulders. If you manage to do this, you'll certainly find it easy to direct a ball to one of your teammates after doing a volleyball dig. A dive. Sometimes, diggers find it hard to approach to the ball on their feet. In this case, it makes a lot of sense for you to make advantage of diving. Obviously, this will help you get to the ball much faster, do a volleyball dig successfully. An overhand volleyball dig. There are also situations when a volleyball approach to a volleyball player over his or her head. If this happened, you should definitely try to do an overhand volleyball dig. When doing an overhand volleyball dig, you should contact a ball with your finger. This will give you more control over the ball. Don't allow the ball to hit you. If the ball hit you, you may get your finger injured. In order to prevent injuries from happening, diggers are recommended to attack the ball during overhand volleyball dig. Volleyball digging drills. Doing the right type of volleyball drills will certainly help you master the art of digging. Below, we'll share volleyball drills to help you take your digging skills to the next level. So you should perform these volleyball drills consistently. Belly to dig drill. Belly to dig drill offer a great way to improve digging in movement as well as handling techniques. Belly to dig drill is also known as good conditioning exercise. It's worth noting that this volleyball drill can be done by volleyball player and all skill level. So both beginners and experienced diggers can practice belly to dig drills. The drill required 3 volleyball players as well as the ball. Team on 3 digging drills. Team on 3 digging drills give you volleyball player an opportunity to learn how to dig a ball after serves. On the other hand, the drill allows server to develop their serving skills. This type of volleyball drill requires at least 4 volleyball players, 3 defensive volleyball players, and 1 server. The server has to go one side of the volleyball court and the 3 other players have to go to the other. The job of the server is to serve the ball to the defensive side of the court. On the 3 players need to dig the ball and not let it land on the court. A server has to serve the ball in unpredictable direction. By doing this, he or she makes it difficult to digger to dig the ball and resist an attack. Wall digging drill. Wall digging drill is an easy to do volleyball drill. The drill requires 1 volleyball player, wall and ball. All that you need to toss the ball and then swing it. Once the ball bounces from the wall and comes back, your job is to dig it. Later, you can increase the power of speed of your swing. Try to hit the ball lower and harder. By doing this, you'll be able to make it more difficult for yourself to perform a drill.